just did his makeup in the way that I do my makeup, and he doesn't like how glowy it is compared to his matte crust. Ciao. I'm with Ricardo. I look absolutely terrible right now, but I've got a very exciting day because I'm going to be turned into a drag queen. I've literally never done that before. I've never thought, let's do drag. But basically, a drag queen called Novena is coming over to my house, so I thought I'd try and document it all. I'll probably forget. But I thought I'd show you the process because I've got no clue what it takes to be a drag queen. Obviously, you guys know my makeup is very natural, so having to transition to like a very full beat is going to be interesting to see on my face because I've never actually properly seen that. So I've got to start my hair though first, and I've also got to tidy my room because my room is a mess and he's coming to my room. So Novena's about to get here and I'm actually really nervous because I don't know what I'm going to look like. Whilst I was waiting, I got sent a delivery from Ren Beauty, which is Ariana Grande's makeup brand, and they sent me some new products. I really want to try this because it's like a blue lip gloss, lip balm, lip oil, I don't even know. Another brand called Summer Friday sent me their retinol, which is obviously really great to use at night. It just helps to, as it says, calm skin, reduce redness, hydrate, soften, moisturize, and reduce and improve the appearance of wrinkles and discoloration. Novena's here and he brought all of his makeup and also the clothes I'm going to be wearing. So yeah, this is everything that he's going to potentially use on me. Are we doing a black smoky eye, you said? Probably. Apparently. Okay, so probably doing a black smoky eye. It's interesting seeing everyone else's makeup when literally mine's all like that. Why is it so bright? It's so bright on my face. We're about to do the whole drag transformation. I'm gonna try and document as much as I can because obviously I'm gonna be filming the TikToks along the way. I'm excited for you to turn me into you. Also, I just did his makeup in the way that I do my makeup, and he doesn't like how glowy it is compared to his matte crust.
Crusty!
I did not say anything.
Crusty.
I did say you're young and youthful, but I think matte makeup looks
like older than you.
Yeah, but I think matte makeup like ages, if you know what I mean. You should know, you know what I mean. But
I don't actually know. I think my makeup looks great. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. I did a video of like my Get Ready With Me if you haven't seen that. And I put like in the caption, like what's a good drag name? And somebody said Ziggy, and it's not my favourite, but for now, I'm Ziggy.
I hate that. You are not called Ziggy.
That's why I'm for now.
No.
But I need to think of another drag name. He's just put this hairnet on. I look like an egg. This is just not flattering at all or cute. You do this every single day, right? Well, every single time you do drag.
Every single time.
He just said he's gonna put duct tape on my head. Like, is it actual full-on duct tape?
Actual duct tape.
Stop.
This is Gorilla Tape.
Oh my god. This is the bit I'm most scared for. It is. It's like literal duct tape on my forehead.
Well, you need
like, he would not be scared by that. Oh my god. Is it really gonna hurt?
Let's take off.
Yeah.
Bestie, what do you think?
That isn't... I look like a villain. I look like a Disney villain. I have so much respect for drag queens right now. The ones who do this like every single day. That is insane. How long does it take for you to get into drag?
3 hours.
3 hours? That is insane. Like, it literally takes me 30 minutes to get ready in the afternoon. Morning, evening. How old are you when you first got into it?
Drag?
Yeah.
21.
21?
No, 20. I only started because my ex said I wouldn't be very good.
What, so you wanted to prove him wrong?
Yeah, I'm a really petty bitch.
He's now colour correcting with this orange because apparently I've got like a beard. Well, I have a beard, I'm a man, and I need to basically colour correct and get rid of it. And then what are you doing now? Putting powder on top? Yeah,
we're just setting that before foundation.
I literally look so orange.
No, you don't.
I look like Homer Simpson.
Piss off.
I'm looking a bit less orange. I'm so scared for this finished result.
Why?
I don't know. Why do you think? Apparently it's gonna come together, but
what do you mean apparently?
We'll see, we'll find out.
It's not if, buts and maybes.
I really like that bronzer. Where's it from?
This is from Sigma Beauty.
We're now on to eyeshadow. I mean, what were you doing? Like a smoky eye? I basically touched a black eyeshadow, and he's now recorrecting my mistakes. I feel like that could look better because it's like sharp.
Sharp.
Maybe, I don't know. Seeing the positives in it. I actually love these eyes. These look so good. Oh, you can't even see you. My camera is so blurry. I tried on lashes the other day for the first time, but we're gonna use these lashes. That's my friend Susie in the back. One of the last steps before the wig, I'm gonna have my lips done, but I think what are you using for the lips?
This is Doll Beauty Talk to the Hand. It's my favourite lip liner ever. If you haven't tried it, you need to.
I don't think I've ever worn lip liner. I've obviously worn lipstick, but I don't think I've ever worn lip liner.
With these small lips, you should.
I know, they're tiny. The lips are done, and last step I need to put on the wig, and I also need to get changed, but oh my god, my makeup looks so good. I've got like lines on my forehead. What will get rid of them? Like Botox or fillers. I don't know, but like I know in the future I'm gonna get really bad smile lines, so I need to get rid of them. You know what's so weird? I feel like I look like my mum right now. I know my mum will hate me for saying that because I'm literally like a drag queen right now, but I feel like I look like my mum. I tried on a blonde wig, but it didn't suit me. I'm definitely not a blonde type of gal. The brown. Oh,
Just
God.
move on.
I don't think I look fit, but I do think I look alright. But I just took this lip gloss from Nimya and it looks quite nice with the lips. I don't know, it's just so weird that I literally look like my mum. Like, it's so weird. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But yeah. I think it's my very first event of 2023. Well, the event I'm going to tonight. So I need to get ready. I honestly never know what to wear to these because I've worn everything in my wardrobe. So I just need to buy more clothes. This is a leather jacket I'm wearing. I bought this from Camden Market. One of my best buys. And then I'm also going to bring this bag. This is from Fendi. Should I do what's in my bag? Do people still care about those? Do people still watch those? This is my favorite bag at the minute. I bought this recently from Fendi. And all I'm literally going to bring is my card, my earphones, chewing gum. But yeah, this is a little bag I'm bringing. Is that the mocktail? Yeah, okay. Thank you.
We're so excited that you're here and thank you for joining our first event of January.
Oh, is that gonna work? We're about to make some candles. I've never made a candle before. This is like everything you need for a candle.
I have no idea how to make a candle, so I have like literally no idea what I was doing, but I took the plastic off and then this is what happened in the end. Like, that's the candle, and then this is what we had for dinner, and it was like risotto. It was actually really good. Hi, it's currently 7:30 in the morning. I haven't literally been up this early in so long, but Tristan, Susie and I, we're all going to Italy, so we're going to the airport right this minute. We're gonna be there for 3 days, and I don't really know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go with the flow. I find this part so tedious, but I'm just gonna have to put all of my liquids into here. Also, Veronica's here now. We're on the plane finally. That literally took like 3 hours, but I was so excited for the view outside the window. But literally, look at it. You can't. Well, other than that, it's not. Oh shit!
What happened?
Just punch that. But Susie is in front. Veronica, I don't know where she is, but she's like somewhere completely different. But it only takes like an hour and 40 minutes to get there. So yeah, that's good. We made it. We're in Milan. Yeah! And we've got like a whole bus to ourselves and 2 other people come. Not gonna lie, the weather is kind of shit. Because we're from the UK, we were hoping for like
Sun.
Yeah.
Bikinis.
I literally brought my swimsuit with me. We've just gone into the flat and I haven't seen the whole flat yet, but it's so nice. Like, this is what it looked like walking in. But I don't know what the rest of it looks like. So this is it. And I've got like a little B&B for, I think like 3 nights for staying here. This is one of the rooms. And then, Tristan, are we sharing a bed?
Yeah, you
Okay,
are, that one.
Tristan and I are gonna have this room. And then there's also a little ensuite. This is so cute. And we literally only paid like £100 each. And then there's, oh my God, sick. So this is the balcony. Our first meal in Italy. And I, of course, had to get a pizza. So did Susie. And then Veronica got like, was it like cheese pasta?
The gorgonzola, which is blue cheese.
Yeah, she looks really, really good. And then you got swordfish, which is different. Swordfish and potatoes. It's Susie's birthday. Yeah. And we're currently going shopping for her birthday. We started at this vintage shop and they've got all of these vintage designer bags, which, I don't know, do you like any of them?
Maybe not to buy. I like them.
This is today's outfit, which we do outfit check. What is your outfit?
What is my outfit?
Of the day?
Tristan. Balenciaga sunglasses. What do we have? Zara, Dunks, Miu Miu, and a coat from Primark.
All Saints coat, literally the best coat I've ever bought. Versace jacket, Valentino trousers, Zara shoes, and then my Dolce & Gabbana bag.
Gucci, when I used to work there. Gucci. ASOS, £12. Agnes Studios. And Balenciaga.
Love
Sorry,
that.
I'm cancelled.
We're either really thick or the metro is really difficult, but we're finding it so hard to get around the metro. We thought we were gonna go to McDonald's. We've never been to like the Italian McDonald's. We're gonna do like a mukbang, so we're gonna get like a whole load of food and just try the Italian McDonald's, which isn't the healthiest.
And go to Bulgari.
And that as well for her bag. We literally came on the worst day because it's raining and it's honestly so cold. What is this place called again?
No, Duomo.
No, but like what's that called?
Duomo.
Cathedral.
Yeah.
I don't know, but we're here and we're gonna find a McDonald's now. That's giving Trafalgar Square, kind of, and that's giving
Westminster Abbey.
yeah.
Let's not be Londoners.
Guys, I'm in Versace and I've tried on this new bag. What do you think? I actually really like it. However, I don't know if I prefer it in gold or if it looks better in silver. I don't know, should I get it? Like, it's actually... Also, Susie is gonna get this bag, I think. Susie, she bought it. Woo! We wanted to go to an Italian McDonald's, so Victoria.
No, it's just my old manager was Victoria.
Veronica. I forgot to film all of it. However, Veronica still has the macarons to try.
Macaroons, so I've got pistachio, but it's frozen, and I've got this raspberry one, and look how squishy that is. That's sexy.
Is it good though?
Ready?
There you go.
And they have chicken wings.
Chicken wings. We're back in the same building we were at yesterday, but honestly, it's so beautiful. Today we went to like the doors and it's so intricate and it's so detailed, and honestly it's beautiful. Like, look at all these.
That can remind me some sunflowers.
I actually really want some of those sunflowers from right there, but oh well. You gonna get any birthday present?
Are you gonna buy me some?
Do you want some flowers?
No, not really.
I am starving, but we all decided to get, how do you pronounce it? Bruschetta? Bruschetta. But we all got that, and then Tristan got the one without cheese. But yeah. I actually don't know what it is, but it's like the burrata cheese, I think. And then Susie got mushroom pasta. We got the same, and then Tristan got
Pistachio.
I don't know what that is.
Pistachio and pesto and shrimp.
This car is so small. I've never, like, being in London, we never see cars this small or anything. I love how in Italy all the cars are so small. Well, like, some of the cars are so small. Like, look, this is tiny. This truck is tiny, and then the other car in front is super small.
Same one.
We've ended up coming to this place, and I think we might order some of it. Do you know, are you gonna get some of those?
I'm getting pistachios. I'm gonna get passion fruit, pistachio, and Nicola.
They look so good. Look at all of these as well. Ciao! I'm with Ricardo. Went into like the Starbucks. What's this called?
Roastery.
Almost with Veronica.
Hi there. It was like a roastery thing. It's the first ancient building, Starbucks in Milan, Italy.
We went there, and that's that. And then I think we're gonna go out for a drink in a bit. So I'm so annoyed because basically my memory card ran out of memory last night whilst I was filming, so I wasn't able to film like me being with Ricardo and everyone else. It's our last day, so we're going back home to London today. We're literally doing nothing other than just packing and going home. The view is so pretty. You can see all of the mountains all the way over there. Oh my god. Hello! But yeah, we're about to go and we're gonna head off, and it's actually really sad. Yeah, back to London we go. In the airport I bought this. It's like this Nutella muffin. Can't wait to try it. My hair's gone so flat, but we landed, we're back in London, and yeah, I feel like we're gonna end this vlog here, because I don't know what else there is to post. Milan was so good, and we're back.
Out of 10.
A good solid 7, 8, 11. But yeah, we're back in London, so yeah, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.